For at least the second time in my lifetime, we're on the brink of another major technological transformation. Our systems of work and play, however, have not fully adapted to the profound digital shift that has been occurring over the last 40 years. Overcoming this human design challenge is an ongoing struggle. It is one that we can approach mindfully, however, as we create the killer apps that will transform those human systems in an AI-enhanced world. As the esteemed technology historian Thomas P. Hughes explains in his book American Genesis, technological change involves our values. We graft new systems onto old ones and then evolve them based on the demands of technology. This is not a value-neutral proposition. We choose certain system designs over others, not because of the technology, but because we see their logic through human eyes. Change can be unsettling, yet rife with opportunities. We're now dealing with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI for short. It's being added to our old industrial ways where machines dictated the rhythm of work. Like factory workers being replaced by robots, as AI is making many of us uneasy about our future role. Humans have become used to being treated like cogs in a machine. However, these are legacies of an industrial mindset. If we are mindful in how our technology design impacts our systems, we can avoid the dystopian visions of AI that are common to today's media. Whether or not our systems are designed for subjugation or creativity is a human choice. It is not dictated by the technology itself. AI can be a tool for seeing the world for what it is. At its simplest, it can take over dull tasks, freeing us for deeper thinking. We'll adjust to it as we have with other inventions, and it will reshape our jobs, homes, and leisure, much like cars and computers did. Many worry because it's tough to envision the future so different from what we're used to, the 9-to-5 pattern of an industrial world. Instead, we project fantastical outcomes onto present-day problems without fully considering the possibility that those realities might shift. My friend and colleague Brian Alexander suggests that technology evolves in two stages. Initially, it just adds to what we already have without altering our everyday life. Later, it transforms other societal aspects like cars did to our urban landscape in the 20th century. I refer to these stages as additive and transformative. At first, we mimic past habits with new tools, like using word processors instead of typewriters. In the transformative stage, our ways of working and living change, like how we now use computers for tasks that would be inconceivable to many in 1980. To cross this boundary from additive to transformative, technology must affect us in three different ways. It must empower us to create, boost our thinking, and emotionally resonate with us. Our hands, hearts, and heads have to be empowered by an integrated technology to achieve this transformative aspect of technology. This video series will tell a four-part tale. First, we will examine how technology that touches our intellect, emotions, and creativity leads to deep transformations in how we work, live, and play. Next, we will look at how the personal computer revolutionized our society by tapping into all three of these aspects. Then we will examine how the PC's legacy has led us to today's challenges by looking at how the creative potential of Web 2.0 led to the corporatization of sharing information storage. Finally, we'll discuss AI's potential to advance our ability to creatively approach complex problems as a society, and how this will transform our lives in the coming years and decades. This story will chart how the future of our societies, technologies, and ourselves is deeply intertwined with our human drives. The very same traits that powered the PC transformation will shape the AI transformation to come. Understanding these factors will help us design the products that will shape our AI futures, for better or worse.